Ever wondered how to make chocolate cookies from scratch? Well, look no further. Today we're diving into the world of baking to guide you through the delightful process of crafting homemade chocolate cookies. Imagine the sweet aroma of cookies wafting from your kitchen, the soft texture of the dough beneath your fingers, the rich taste of chocolate melting in your mouth. That's the magic we're aiming for. The first step in our baking journey is to gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1½ cups of white sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and of course the star of the show, 2 cups of chocolate chips. Once you have all your ingredients, the real fun begins. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, mix together your dry ingredients, the flour, baking soda, and salt. Set this mixture aside for a moment. In a separate bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until they have a light and fluffy consistency. Add the eggs one at a time, beating the mixture well after each addition. Then stir in the vanilla extract. Now it's time to combine the dry and wet ingredients. Gradually add the flour mixture to the butter mixture, stirring until they're well incorporated. The final touch? Stir in those luscious chocolate chips. Once your cookie dough is ready, drop spoonfuls of it onto an ungreased cookie sheet. Remember to leave enough space between each cookie for them to expand during baking. Slide the cookie sheet into your preheated oven and bake for about 10 minutes, or until the cookies are golden brown. After taking them out of the oven, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. Then transfer them to wire racks to cool completely. In summary, making chocolate cookies from scratch involves a few simple steps: gathering your ingredients, mixing together your dry and wet ingredients separately, combining them to form the cookie dough, adding the chocolate chips, dropping spoonfuls of the dough onto a cookie sheet, and baking until golden brown. So roll up your sleeves and turn on your oven, because the delicious world of homemade chocolate cookies awaits. Subscribe and happy baking.